Yes, so what happened after the year 2000, after the 200 years?
Stamp a ticket. Can we move these?
Yes, probably could. So, yeah. Well, future generations. Yes. Means the same. It's very much promoting working on railway. Yes.
Journey to 1825.
So hopefully it'll remain.
Hope so.
I don't know if
This is nice.
First time of Valentine's Day, 1990.
Imagine it as like a normal train, the doors stay open.
Would you like a railway ticket? Yeah. Would you like to have your ticket?
My rating now.
Ooh.
Okay. First well-known railway death, 1830.
All started with wheelbarrows.
He was
Carts and everything.
was killed at the Liverpool Manchester Railway.
So it's grown very big. Very quickly.
He might have been hit by a train.
Oh yeah, we got Thomas, Paddington, Railway Children, Harry Potter, Train Spotting, yeah. Murder on the Orient Express. Nice.
Mr. Bean? 1839.
Oh yeah, Mr. Bean when he was on the Eurostar.
Yeah.
Nice. Some old. First rail time passenger information. See that in a minute.
I don't think the time's correct.
First use of railway time, 1840. Yeah, that's why we're now going to Great Western Railway to go from London to Bristol. Mummy? Yeah? When are you coming?
First page of picture in country Germany you find the world's oldest surviving single arch railway bridge. Sadly it is believed that the architect Ralph Wood was afraid that his bridge might collapse, that he jumped from it, ending his life. It's still standing almost 300 years later. That's
Quite an old bridge.
That is sad and also amazing at the same time.
It's a sad story, but nice. Like
It's a sad story, but it's got like good ending kind of.
the first freight train to China.
First they went train from China to 7 countries, 18 days, 7,556 miles, heavy trip journey,
So it's travelled quite a long way then.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because the containers are like all like they're not English at all. And you got like where all the information started coming in the railway.
It's amazing how it went from that to what it is now, isn't it?
I don't think you even I don't think you even need like people anymore to actually do it.
I don't think amazing describes it, like, if that makes sense. Like,
Yeah.
I can't think of a better word than amazing, but amazing. is the right word. Just amazing.
Just amazing.
Just keep going.
I also like on the windows, like they have like information, but no one can see like from the outside.
Yeah. Awesome.
You always only have to look. Like, there's an old timetable.
That is awesome.
First drawing of the train.
Push the button to see how the rail got Britain running like clockwork. I might press the button.
Do you want me to do it?
Button. Oh wow. Time. Look at the diamond-shaped display and you can see two things. 20 letters of the English alphabet and a row of 5 needles. To operate the telegraph, the user points the needles at the individual letters. So whatever it lands on is what the word will be down there. That's pretty cool.
And now imagine there's a duplicate display positioned miles away connected to the first one by copper wires. That's awesome.
Now try and spell your name out of that.
Don't even try.
Not sure if we can do it. Look at the information. The first track circuit in 1863. Nice. I think this is what they used to wear it though.
It's railway workers are easy to spot and for good reason. Trackside work is dangerous, so it's vital that everybody can be seen. Since the iconic bright orange uniform was first trailed by the 15 players in Glasgow over 60 years ago, high visibility clothing has been adopted by everyone from police officers to cyclists. You're not allowed to wear yellow. You can't see yellow from trees, so it has to be pink or orange. Orange is the main one that's chosen.
So many people still use the orange high-vis, like...
Yellow is the most popular for some reason, even though you can't see it through nature, which is annoying.
Well, no, yeah.
Because like if you were behind a bush and you were yelling, you can't see them.
You can't see them at all.
No. So that's why it's either orange or pink.
Oh, wow, look at that. It's like...
Like the old handwriting. I wish we still kept that handwriting, that'd be awesome.
Like, it'd be so stylish now. Got a briefcase. Is this yours?
I don't have a briefcase.
Oh. But it's yours now. Okay. Yeah.
Which probably are worse than briefcase.
Shield. So backpacks are taken over. I don't need briefcases anymore.
Yeah, but backpacks hurt your back.
A lot.
Or you can do nothing.
Put my ticket back.
Oh, you can't do it. There is no more to this.
I think you can stamp it again though.
Do you want to?
Just try the other end.
Oh wait, yeah, I'm doing that. Hang on.
Oh, you get the different shapes, like each one.
Help me.
Ready? Here we go.
Nice.
Nice. There's the Rail200 like picture thing. Oh wait.
Oh my god, do you want to do it?
Wait, I'm gonna do. Oh wait, what colour? I'm gonna do a brown.
Do green. Green's my favourite. All the nails are next to each other. Oh, you put the transport back, I put sharp.
Perfect. I like the pencil. Can't really tell. There you go. So yeah. I think Laserjet put one on here somewhere. Anyway, this is... What kind of Mark III was this back in the day? I can't remember who it was owned by. I don't know who it was owned by.
It would be cool if they had kept it the way it was in the past.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Because this is the past now, isn't it? It would be cool if they kept it as the past and like the style.
Okay, what character is this now? The present one?
This is the present. Yeah, it should be. Because that would past, present, future.
Yeah.
If it's future, I'm going to be like, what flip?
Past, future, present, you know? That'd be weird.
Change the name. Nice.
Wait, ready? Sorry. Is that all it does? It's made of shape. Perfect.
I'm worried that they're gonna overlap at one point.
I think they will. On the lab on the wheel, there's a message. Nice.
Can we not do this bit?
What is it?
I have no idea.
Oh, it's like building like a tunnel. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be. That looks fun.
Use of the terrain. Well done. That's very good.
Oh, it's not. Wait. Well, that's a sand table.
Self-adulation.
Oh, I'm looking forward to that.
I'm gonna have more fun with the sand table.
Yeah. Well done. We should have taken a picture of our achievement.
Do you want to do it or?
I kind of do.
Right. Well done. Who built this one?
I don't know.
Right, this is my just have the person build. You can start again.
Some little like wood. It's like back in the day when little children had like the wooden train sets. This is literally like the improved version.
Yeah.
It feels nice as well.
So you can go back and then pull your ticket out. You've done it.
I'm gonna try and build a bridge. Huh? Oh, here? Oh, okay. I don't know. I'm building. Hang on, wait. Wait, I need it to be like, I need another one there. And then I need another one on the other end. And then put another one like that. I have no idea what this is, but it works, I think.
Does it work though? Does it work though?
It's quite a messy thing, but it works, I guess.
You're not an architect.
I'm never gonna get into art, but we need some more supports. And then we'll put like another one.
Yeah, that works great.
And then
But we need to make it flatten it. That does not flatten it.
and there we go. This is a masterpiece.
I love this bridge.
And then we'll put that there. So oh dear. And then we'll put that there. So like no one dies when they fall out the. And then.
Oh, you're making a whole floor.
Yeah, I guess I am now.
Oh, yeah, we used all the bricks.
This is perfect. We made a tunnel.
Yeah, dead end.
Nice. I've just built a tunnel.
Yeah, but
This is the final masterpiece. Never see it again. Slam it into the. I wonder what it looks like. That's actually pretty cool. I
Oh, a bit push.
It is when it's caught in the opening. Let's build a wheel.
Why don't you just use that?
One-handed. Yeah, now we need that.
Do you want these bits?
I have no idea.
Why are we doing this?
Because why not? I have no idea if this looks good or not.
Yep.
And then we need the last bit here.
And we just put it this way.
And then see.
Ooh.
Okay. Oh my days. You've actually done something. Oh wait, we need to start from over there. Oh. Silly me. Well, it works. That I'm happy. I built a wheel that works. We did it. Oh, look at that.
Made the whole track.
What the hell?
Do it.
Ruined the whole track. Yeah, ruin it.
What's happening there? I want to change it.
Right there.
Don't get the whole thing.
Oh my god. Here we go. Oh dear. Oh no, the railway's been broken. It's snowing. It's... Yes. Oh no, it's snowing on the railway. Quick, we have to fix this. We have to fix this. Oh no, wait. No. I flooded it. Oh no. Oh no. Ow. It's stuck. Look. We need to fix this, Charlotte. It's Mallard. Wait, we need to rescue Mallard.
Mom.
She's doing her speed run. We need to rescue her. Yes, perfect. Mallard. Yes, Mallard. We did it. Mallard's safe. And now we're gonna... Airplane. No, it's a bird. I could spend all day on this.
Like, save them.
Okay, we did it. Okay, so that's now the present done. We are now moving to the future.
Let's do the time walk again.
Do not walk.
Because he pushed me.
I will face not. Imagine if I could just like balance myself on your feet and we just move like that.
That would be interesting, but
Also very weird.
that would be weird as well. Welcome aboard. We are in number 3.
Yes, I am.
Railway Fist. Wonder Lab on the wheels and the partner zone.
ASMR.
Abba.